Hi everybody, it's been a very long time since I've done one of these analysis video showing you the currency pairs that I'm watching for this week because I think they could be giving me potential opportunities to trade. And I think it's a great way to revisit this old habit of mine because back when I first started out trading, this was one of the things that made a huge difference to me as a beginner trader. So now I'm gonna make a conscious effort to do these videos once a week. Today I'm going to show you a couple of currency pairs that has popped up on my radar, and I'll be keeping a close eye on these pairs for the next few days to see if the opportunity arises for me to take a trade. The first currency pair that we're looking at is the Aussie USD. Now this pair here is currently sitting on long-term support at 0.7050. What we're looking at here is that this level has held as support for all but one occasion, and I believe this was a mini market flash crash. So other than that, price has been respecting this level. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait because I always like to be patient. I think price could come down a little bit further to actually test this level. Bring it up to here. So I'm waiting for a test, meaning that price to actually touch it and possibly go a little bit below that. I want to see evidence from price action showing that this level can once again hold as support, and if that's the case, then I will be looking for opportunities to enter long on this pair. Next currency pair is the Euro USD. Now this pair is also sitting at long-term support, but here I'm actually looking for opportunities to go short, and let me explain why. So if I zoom the chart out, you can see that 1.1300 has held as support for a very long time, with the exception of one move that went below that, but then price reversed straight away. So we had one false break below this support level. Other than that, it has held up magnificently in the last 6 months to 8 months or so. And just yesterday we had a break below this level. So yesterday's daily candle closed below support, and the thing that caught my attention is the move down. It's a rather strong and progressive move down, and yesterday's close is what I would call a significant close, because this candle here has closed well below all other previous candle with the exception of this one. So for me, this is something that's catching my attention. I'm going to be a little bit cautious though, because this can happen again, where this is a false breakout and straight away buyers will push it right back up. So I'm going to be watching this, see how price reacts now that it's sitting slightly just below support. And I think what I'm looking for is I want to see another daily candle that can close below yesterday. So if today's daily candle finishes in a bearish mode and it makes a significant lower close, then that for me is a good sign to say that finally sellers have enough power to break through this support level. Usually, from what I can see, when a support or resistance level is tested multiple times, then the longer that behavior keeps up, the more likely it is that the level will break, and the stronger the momentum of the break will be. So we'll see how this one turns out. Next is the British Pound Australian Dollar, and I don't really see a trading opportunities here, but there is a pattern that I would like to keep an eye on. So on the daily chart, I have drawn in just a very basic upwards trend line here, and so far price has been respecting that level. So it would be interesting to see if this level would continue. At the moment, what I can see is resistance at 1.8440 or around there. And if this trend line continues and buyers continue to push up, it might be a point where this resistance level actually gives, and that could be an opportunity to trade as a breakout going higher than this. Like I said, for now I'm only keeping an eye out for this because it's a pattern that I'm interested in and I like to see how it unfolds. Last currency pair would be USD Japanese yen. So we've got resistance level coming up at 111 exactly. Now this level here previously, and by previously I meant back in 2017 and middle of last year, so prior to 2018, this has been a very clear cut support and resistance level. So it was acting as support here and it was acting as resistance here. Then 2018 came and it really didn't exhibit the same behavior, but to be honest, price action during this period here was very messy, so I would not have been able to trade this anyway. So now price is coming back up to this level again. I'm interested to see whether or not this level will act as resistance this time around. It may not, it may have moved up or down, I don't know what the case is, but if it does show signs that this is acting as a resistance again and a reversal shows, then I will be taking a short trade once I see that sellers are beginning to take in control. The other scenario which I think could happen is that this level might have been moved up slightly, judging from price action in this period here. So if I move this line up, you can see it does fit support acting being here and a little bit of resistance here on this side as well, but that's speculation. I don't know. I'm gonna go with what I had before. Even though new price action always trumps previous price action, I don't have a clear indication of where it could be, so I'm sticking with where it is for now and we'll see what's gonna happen. So there you go. Those are the 4 currency pairs that I'm looking at this week and possibly into next week to see if trading opportunities unfold. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.